It sounds good for what it is, though. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Clean look good.
I think it looks great.
Appreciate it.
Nice.
For extended cab.
Yeah. So while I'm talking to you, what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Dustin Collins. I have a flat wall with 4 U15 V1s.
Okay.
On 2 JP43s. Fully sealed off. Then for my tower speakers in the back, I'm running a Mini Max JP amp, the 1500, on 2 JP40s. And then I got another Mini Max for my tweeters, and it's 104. And then for the mids is a JP23.
Who built this?
Tate's Tunes.
Very nice.
Michael Wilson. And there's one of the business cards on the dash.
Okay. Do you know the specs of the box at all?
I know a little back. The lowest hertz, it's like 23, 24.
Okay.
48.
Okay.
That's about what I usually run.
Got it.
I don't know much about the specs on the box.
Yeah, you're good. Any SPL tests on it?
On the meter with this door open and those door closed, windows up, I'm hitting 153.
All right. Yeah. Nice.
And next year I'll be bigger. I'm changing subs out to X's. I'm hopefully.
A little more motor force.
Yeah.
Can I see underneath the hood?
Yeah.
What year and vehicle?
It's a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 with 24 valve Cummins.
Nice.
Just about 550 horsepower.
Wow.
Built transmission, built everything, feel, bigger turbo. It's decently quick.
Yeah.
They'll black the street out. On 24 by 14s. And custom paint.
Do you know the port tuning? Do you know the port tuning?
No, we change it up every time. Every time we're testing at the shop, we change it little by little.
You kind of shrunk it?
We made it bigger.
Oh, bigger, okay.
Inside, we made it longer.
Oh, got it, okay.
And it actually gained 2 dBs off of that.
Nice. Is this a show car or a daily driver or what?
It used to be my daily.
Okay.
Until I started getting bigger in the audio world, and then now it's just a show truck. I can daily drive it
Okay.
if I wanted to, but
Yes, sir.
I like my wheel bands.
A lot of weight.
Yeah.
Where's the lithium or all your batteries?
It's a JP40.
Just down there. Okay, got it.
The
Okay.
2 on the other side. They look like amplifiers.
They
but
do
they're
look like them.
batteries.
I'm still learning the newer amp technology. So those were lithium.
Yep.
Wow, okay. I didn't realize that. I'm still learning the newer.
They look like amps, don't they?
They do.
It tricks everybody.
Yeah, because I'm still learning all that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Whoa.
They're DS18 and power speakers.
Nice.
Those things are stupid loud.
You can play that while driving?
Yeah.
Man, I bet you there's
And I got a bass knob for them, so I can.
You can turn them. Yeah. You can scare some people on the road with them
yeah,
things.
you're over a mile away and trying
Oh
to
my
loud
god.
cars.
Oh yeah.
The cops do not like it.
Mm-mm.
Not at all.
You ever got a ticket yet?
I got kicked out of Hickory.
Wow.
Right near where Sundown Show happens. That's
Mhm.
right.
Yep.
I got kicked out of Hickory for the night.
Dang.
Yeah, we're good. We just loaded.
You have your steering wheel out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quick release. It helps out when I'm demoing.
Yeah. You don't have to worry about vibration on that either.
Yeah. I want more of a windier build.
Windier? Oh, okay.
Right now it's good on SPL runs, but I want some more windy.
Got it.
Play some more kind of paint. You ready?
Yes, sir.
You want to flip rags.
Okay.
All over the base.
That's alright.
On the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. Wanna scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain. You wanna go out on dates.
Oh, okay. 28. That was playing pretty low.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome, man. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you again, man. Yeah, and you said you're planning to upgrade these subs. It's pretty punchy. It sounds good for what it is, though, man. Yeah,
V1s.
V1s, yeah. They get down for what they are, man.
I want more of a windier build.
Windier? Oh, okay.
Right now it's good on SPL runs, but I want a little windy.
Got it. All right, man. You have a good day.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.